Hi everyone, the following video is going to go through some Dreamweaver basics, just basic things that I'd like you to know about. So the first thing that I've done is I've opened up a file and I'm in just the design view. So that's me going to view, view mode, and design. And basically that just shows no code whatsoever. So I can type in here, enter, enters, and basically just do stuff. So first thing I'm going to show you is notice when I press enter, it creates a double space, a paragraph tag. If I just want it to create one space, I hold the shift key and press shift enter. And what that does is it creates a BR tag. So let me go to view, split, code design. You can see the paragraph tags, one space. The BR tag is simply one. All right, so that's one thing. Next in our page properties, if you don't have these open, you're going to go to Window, Properties. Make sure you're selected on the HTML. You can select text and make it bold, italicize it, create bulleted lists in these page properties. Additionally, you can actually go to the page properties of the page. So I can click this page properties button, or I can go to File, Page Properties. And what that does is it opens up an appearance editor that allows me to change some styles. This is all done in the CSS. Using internal CSS code, so it's not the best way to do it. But for now, the stage you're at in Dreamweaver, it's okay to play around with this. But what you can do is first you can see you have your fonts, font types, font sizes you can play around with a little bit. You can see we can change the text color. We can change our background color of our site. I won't change it to red, but I can change it. I'll click apply. You can see it's changed the color. I can add a background image, and I can make that background image repeat. If it's not showing up everywhere, I can repeat it. I can create some margins, and I haven't talked about these yet, but I will later, not in this video. Then we can change some things like various types of appearances. I can change my links. I'm going to create a separate video how to do this specifically, but you can start to play around with it. You don't necessarily need to stay here and do this, but for now, what you can do is you can actually make your link red if you want your links to be red, and click apply. Let me click OK here, get out of here. Okay, so those are some basic things. To save a file, you're going to go to File, Save As. Once you save it, you go to File, Save, and continue to save it. You can have multiple files open, go back and forth between them and work back and forth. You can see if it's saved or not by the little asterisks. If I want to preview, I can go to File, Real-Time Preview, and open it up in one of my browsers. My favorite browser is Firefox, but I always check it in Chrome and Internet Explorer as well. A lot of the things I can do here, one of the things I always tell people about the Adobe software is that you can do one thing 10 different ways. So like I can insert a paragraph tag here, or I can insert the paragraph tag, just by pressing a space. So there are a number of ways to do things. And that's what I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you.